morning. It is Wednesday today, I believe December 13th. And yeah, I'm gonna try and start this 12 days of Christmas. Yeah, I'm gonna explain all this when I'm up and awake, so yeah, okay.
Space. People pretty much space to adjust when you're stuck in the corner. Okay. So now on my shirt. Here.
Good morning. I am up and awake. I don't even know what time it is, like 9-ish, I think. I just went and got some breakfast. I got dressed. I'm at a Starbucks now, so I'm gonna head in there. But I just wanted to update pretty much. And yeah, today is a gloomy day. And oh, like I said, today, I know I said this when I was all sleepy. Today is Wednesday, December 13th, and I'm gonna attempt, and I know I've done this before and totally failed, but we're gonna obviously keep trying till we get it right. I'm gonna do a 12 days of Christmas. So from now until Christmas, I'm going to vlog every day. I'm about to sound like my mom right now. Is my plan to vlog every day, edit every single day, and have an upload every single day for the next 12 days. Hence the 12 days of Christmas. So I knew already I wasn't gonna survive even like 3 days doing the Vlogmas that everyone does in the start of December. So I figured this could still be a challenge, you know, but still, yeah. So we'll see. Again, I know I've tried this before and I'm already inconsistent. So I'm hoping this kind of like jump starts that consistency of doing videos. So that is the plan. I'm gonna eat. I'm not gonna eat right here in front of you. So the plan is I'm gonna eat, do some stuff at Starbucks, and work. Pretty much work today because I need to work. And that's all I'm gonna say. So yeah. And then, you know, put some footage in later. Oh, you know what? Actually, tonight, I believe this is in my planner. We might go to Free Play tonight. So we'll see about that. But for now, we're just gonna go on with the day. And if you have already noticed, which I'm sure you have because I can't stop staring at it, I currently have a situation going down here on my chin. And luckily, I'm going to be working most of the day because I'm just going to leave this here. I wish I had done it last night while I was sleeping, but yeah, we're not even going to talk about it right now. I might talk about it later, but I'm so ashamed. I don't want to talk about it right now. Okay, I'm going to stop jabbering. I'm gonna go and hope you enjoy whatever's after this. Okay. Back again. It is after 2 and I just started DoorDash, so I'm gonna just do that the rest of the day and then maybe end around 7 or 8, head to Free Play, which is a really cool arcade that it's like an arcade slash bar. You can get food and it has a lot of retro games, which is really cool. But that is the plan. Yeah, that's really all I got. I had my coffee, although I'm ready for a nap. But I'm gonna work, obviously, so luckily, as I was putting my stuff away, the first order that popped up was for Starbucks. So I'm just gonna hang tight here for a little bit and then go grab the order and then just keep it going. So that is the update. And I don't know if I'm gonna do footage for work because I think that's just gonna distract me. And then, yeah, I don't want to do that. So, until later. Okay, so it's dark now and it's late even. I think it's about to be 11 p.m. I am looking a hot mess, so I need to go freshen up, update on my chin. It is just all sorts of, it looked like it's dang near ready to explode. and just do its thing. This is so disturbing. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna cover it up now because this is so horrifying. Like, I had those Mighty patches on, and then I took it off, and then I got the little one off, sorta. It's I know it's TMI. I probably shouldn't even be saying this, but it's just so obviously there, and it's awkward, and I hate it so much, but it is what it is. Of course, like, the day I want to start this 12 days of Christmas vlogging, I got a giant roommate on my chin, and it's lame, and I hate it. Anyway, so yeah, the big one's just shining, just popping itself out. So I'm gonna put on another patch and pray that, I don't know, it like pops or whatever, because I don't want to do it and then, you know, scar it or ruin it or whatever the case is. So if I could just put another patch on and it just does its thing, and then I have to like push out the rest or whatever, that's fine. I don't mind doing that. But yeah, I'm at the gym, and I'm gonna go in and freshen up, take my makeup off, put my hair up, and you know, take a look at the damage on my chin. And I'm gonna try really, really, really hard to at least start editing this video tonight instead of tomorrow, because I want to have a video uploaded for the 14th, because the 14th is technically the start of the 12 days of Christmas, because from the 14th to the 25th is 12 days, or at least that's what I counted. So, but I wanted a video to be up that day, which is why I recorded on the 13th, the day before. So whatever inception of vlogging that is, I don't know, but yeah, my goal is to at least try to start some of it, maybe even upload the footage, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm tired. I played and ate pizza at Free Play, and that was fun. That was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it a lot. But yeah, I am ready for bed, I'll admit, but we are gonna do this challenge. I am going to try, but we'll see, because the Starbucks that I would go to this late at night is closed, because it closes at 11, and I was gonna get a coffee and just be like, you know what, I'm gonna bust it out. And so we'll see. If not, I swear I'm gonna wake up super early to get it done and make sure it's like out by 12 or 1 or something like that. That is where my mind's at. So I think I'm gonna take you in the gym. Maybe I'll save that for another time. I think I'm just gonna close the vlog out for now. I don't just totally just like talking like this. This is so goofy. Why? Anyways, yeah, I think I'll just stop it for now. So then I don't know how long it's gonna take me to edit. I don't think it's gonna take a lot to edit, because I don't even think I filmed as much as I would want to, but it's the first day of the 12 days, so obviously none of it's gonna be perfect. I'm just gonna do it. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, okay, good night.